Hello everyone. Today let us solve one more problem on finding the evolute of the given equation. The example: find the evolute of the ellipse. I think you know the equation of the ellipse, which is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, which is very important problem. Please note this. Try to understand clearly. Let us solve this solution. We have x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. We know the parametric equation of ellipse, which is x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta, b sin theta, right? So we'll find dx by d theta and dy by d theta. So dx by d theta is derivative of x with respect to theta. A is constant. With respect to theta, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, right? Dy by d theta, b into derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So now we can find the value of dy by dx, which will be dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So substituting the value, this will be b cos theta divided by minus a sin theta, can be written as minus b by a cos by sin is cot theta. Now we'll find d square y by dx square will be equal to, here minus b by a is constant. Derivative of cot theta is minus cosecant square theta here, but this is in the parameter theta. We need to differentiate with respect to x, which implies it should be multiplied d theta by dx as the chain rule. Can be written as b by a cosecant square theta into d theta by dx. We know the value of dx by d theta. Then d theta by dx will be reciprocal of this. Whatever it may be, I will write in the denominator only, which is minus a sin theta. So this will be equal to minus b by a into a is a square. Here 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta again. Cosecant square into cosecant theta will be cosecant cube theta. Or you can write this as minus b by a square sin cube theta. Right? So now let us consider C of alpha comma beta be the center of curvature of the curve. At any point theta. Then now we need to find out the value of alpha and beta. Let us go for alpha. We know the formula. Alpha is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. This will be equal to, the value of x is a cos theta minus value of y1 is minus b by a cot theta into 1 plus y1 square b square by a square cot square theta. Because here minus b by a is there, squaring this will be b square by a square with minus into minus plus. Again divided by y2 is there. Value of y2 is minus b by a square sin cube theta. Simplifying this, okay, simplifying this, will be equal to a cos theta minus, here minus into minus plus, but in the denominator also we have minus, so this will be minus only. 1b by a, 1b by a will can cancel, right? 1 by a we left. Okay, 1 by a. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta into, here in the bracket we have 1 plus b square by a square cot square theta, right? Again cot can be written as cos by sin. Taking the LCM, this will be sin square theta into a square is there. Okay, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta divided by a square sin square theta. Okay, in the denominator we have sin cube theta, right? So it will come to the numerator as sin cube theta. So one, you note that p by a square cosecant theta will be 1 by sin cube theta. Please note that here also 1 by sin cube theta. Please note that did little mistake. Okay, now this will become sin cube theta, right? So will be equal to, simplifying, if we take 1 by a outside from all the terms, here a is there. If you take 1 by a, then it will be a square cos theta minus cos theta into a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta, because here is sin theta, here sin square, sin cube. We can cancel those two. So can be written as 1 by a square cos theta 1 minus sin square theta minus b square cos cube theta. Am I correct? Yes. So can be written as 1 by a, here cos cube theta will come into a square minus b square will be equal to a square minus b square by a into cos cube theta. Call this as equation 1, which is the value of alpha. See here, very important, this will be the value of alpha. See here, a square cos theta is there, minus cos theta into a square sin square theta minus b square cos square theta. Here also a square cos theta, here also a square cos theta sin theta. If you take a square cos theta outside, will be 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is cos theta. So a square cos theta into cos theta cos square theta minus b square cos cube theta. So this will be like this, cos square cos cube. Okay, cos cube theta can be taken outside. Like this we solve the problem. Like this we will find the value of beta also. Value of beta will be obtained by the formula y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. So substituting all the values, b sin theta into 1 plus b square by a square cos square theta by sin square theta, directly I am substituting, divided by y2 value. The y2 value is minus b by a square, here in the denominator sin cube theta, right? So simplifying like the same way will be b sin theta minus a square by b sin cube theta, here a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta divided by a square sin square theta, right? Already taken to the numerator. This will be b sin theta minus sin theta by b a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta, can be written as, if you take 1 by b outside, will be b square sin theta into, similar way 1 minus cos square theta will come, minus a square sin cube theta will be equal to 1 by b into b square minus a square sin cube theta. Call this as equation 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2 we have cos cube theta equal to alpha a divided by a square minus b square. Sin cube theta is equal to minus beta b in by a square minus b square. Right? So now we'll find cos raised to 6 theta and sin raised to 6 theta. After that we go for cos square and sin square and adding. Therefore, cos raised to 6 theta is equal to alpha a the whole square divided by a square minus b square. Sin raised to 6 theta equal to beta b divided by a square minus b square. Here is the negative sign. Whole square. Okay. So, therefore, cos square theta equal to alpha a by a square minus b square whole raised to 2 by 3. Sin square theta is equal to beta b divided by a square minus b square whole raised to 2 by 3. Now adding cos square plus sin square theta will be 1, right? We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1 implies alpha a by a square minus b square whole raised to 2 by 3 plus beta b divided by a square minus b square whole raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1. You can conclude that which is the equation independent of theta. No term in this of theta. Therefore, the locus of center of curvature. This is by the definition. Locus of center of curvature. Locus of a center of curvature is another evolute of the given curve is ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ವೈ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಬೈ ವೈ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು 2 by 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ y into b divided by a square minus b square whole raised to 2 by 3 equal to 1 can be written as xa or a into x raised to 2 by 3 plus b into y raised to 2 by 3 equal to a square minus b square raised to 2 by 3. This is the equation. Very, very important problem. Please try to understand clearly.